Welcome to the public information meeting for the US 18 bridge replacement in Chickasaw County. During this meeting, we will explain what will happen during the project and how it will affect property owners and those who use the highway. We will also fill you in on the expected construction schedule. Plus, you will find out how you can give us your questions and comments on the project. Work for this project will take place on US 18 in rural Chickasaw County at the Little Cedar River Bridge. During this project, a contractor will remove and replace the existing bridge over the Little Cedar River. The new bridge will be wider to meet current safety standards and a little bit longer to improve drainage. The bridge approaches will also be reconstructed, as well as replacement of the existing guardrail. You can get a more detailed look at this display by returning to the project meeting webpage. During construction, US 18 will be closed to through traffic and detoured around the construction site. Temporary easements and permanent acquisitions will not be required in the vicinity of this project. As mentioned, US 18 will be closed to through traffic for the duration of construction. Traffic will be detoured using County Roads T76 and B57 and T66. Here's what to expect as the project moves forward. The project is scheduled for letting in the winter of 2027, with construction starting in the spring of 2028. It's expected to be completed in the fall of 2028 at an estimated cost of $4.95 million. We encourage your questions and comments on this project. The best way to get a hold of us is through the online link shown here. Questions and comments through email, phone calls, and in writing are acceptable as well. All comments should be received by April 12th. Thank you for taking the time to take part in this online public meeting.